Okay, guys, so today I'm going to be doing a prank on Brooke. So I'm just going to, put this slime on her, and then, tickle her face, and it's going to go like that. But then I'm going to have, mix up and tell her, oh, your mom called. She said that you're going home because apparently you were doing things and now you're in trouble and all of that. But, yeah, let's get into it. Wake up, Brad.
What, Rob?
Wake up. Get your stuff ready. Your mom called and she's picking you up.
Alright. Why?
Get your stuff.
Dude, why is she picking me up? I'm not getting my stuff. I'm not finna leave, bro.
I don't know. Just hurry up. Get your stuff ready, dude.
Dude, stop. Bro.
No, your mom called.
If you woke me up for no reason, I swear. I'll get my stuff ready. Bro, I can see the camera right there, bro.
That was a good one.
Bro, if you think she got me, put hashtag Team Marley. If you think I'm finna win and come back with the better prank, put hashtag Team Brooke.
Or
Let's
Team
get it.
Marley.
Like and subscribe.
And turn on that notification bell. And if you guys think this prank was pretty good, but if I hit it better, comment down below.